Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. To all OFW, fellow OFW dito sa Middle East, good evening. And sa mga nasa Pilipinas, naglapit na po yun. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So, today, we will discuss about the construction estimate. Uh, this is the continuation of our topic last week. It's about the concrete hollow blocks. Last week we compute the rebars, but now we will compute the tie wires. So yung pangtali ng rebars. Kasi hindi po ma-form yung rebars kung wala po tayong pangtali. So we need a tie wire. Ang tawag po diyan ay tie wire. Okay, so let's go to the our topic. So this is tie wire for concrete hollow blocks reinforcement. So ito yung pangtali. What is tie wire? No? Tie wire refers to gauge number 16 galvanized iron wire, popularly known as GI tie wire. So kung bumili tayo ng tie wire, it should be number 16. Tie wire is used to secure the steel bars into its design position. Okay, hindi naman pwede talian natin ng kailangan natin ng pangtali. Ito yung tie wire. So, the length of its tie wire, it depends upon the size of the bars to be tied on. So, it depends on the size. Tie wire is cut into length ranging from 20 to 40 centimeters for small and medium-sized steel bar. Okay, so the wire length or tie wire length is ranging from 20 to 40 centimeters. The common size of steel bars reinforcement specified for concrete hollow blocks work is either 10 mm, 12 mm or 16 mm diameter, but it is depending upon the plan and specification. So what is the specification written in the plan? You should follow what size of rebars to use. If it is 10 mm, 12 mm or 16 mm. Now, this is a constant table for computing tie wire. So it's very important table, and you should follow if you have if you compute something about tie wire for concrete hollow blocks. You should check this table. So this is number 16 GI tie wire for CSB reinforcement per square meter. So this is talking, it's about area. So per square meter. So it is clear that it is per area. So here, this is the vertical spacing. We have 40, 60, and 80. This is the vertical spacing of rebars. For horizontal layer, this is the rebars to be put in the horizontal position. So there is every 2 layer, 3 layer, and 4 layers. Okay, so this is the kilogram per square meter. This is the unit here is kilogram. After you multiply the area, it comes out, it is kilogram. So there is 25 centimeter tie. This is the length. There is 30 centimeter tie. and there is also 40 centimeter tie. So this is the multiplier of each vertical spacing. For example, 40, 2 layers. This is the multiplier. If you use 37 tie, you will multiply by 0.065. Or if you use 40 centimeter tie, you will use 0.066. Multiply to the area of the wall or the fence that you need to put the hollow blocks. So this is the example last week. This is the fence. The width of the fence is 4 meter. The height of the fence is 3.2 meter. So last week we get the number of rebars. How many rebars required for this size of wall 4 by 3.2. This the vertical rebars, it is spaced at 80 centimeter. And for the horizontal rebars, it is placed at every 3 layers. So now, as going back to the table, we need only the area because it is square meter per square meter. So the area of this fence is 4 times 3.2, the height of the fence. This is the width 4 meters, height of 3.2. So 4 times 3.2 is equal to 12.8 square meter. So now we need to compute the tie wire, number 16 GI tie wire, by using 30 centimeter long tie wire. So it means we will use the 30 centimeter tie multiplier. So, but it's depend on the vertical spacing and horizontal spacing. So now if you check here in the drawing, the vertical reinforcement is at every 80 centimeter. So it should be here in the table. We will check here, the vertical spacing is 80. And the horizontal reinforcement at every 3 layers. So it means we will use this value here. The spacing 80, horizontal layer is 3, and the length of the tie wire is 30 centimeter. So the multiplier is 0.024. So this is constant multiplier. You just multiply the area by this 0.024. If you will use 80 vertical spacing and horizontal every 3 layers, the horizontal rebars. So based on this drawing, so we will multiply by 0.024. So going back to the computation, the area is 12.8 square meter times 0.024 is equal to 0.32 kilograms of number 16 GIY. So it means that the fence size of 4 by 3.2 and the vertical spacing of rebars is at 80 centimeter and horizontal rebars at every 3 layers, we need 0.32 kilograms of GIY number 16. Okay, so this is the computation of tie wire for concrete hollow blocks. So take note of this table because this is very useful. So it's depend on the design if they will use 40 vertical spacing or 60 or every 2 layers or every three layers or 4 layers. So it depends on the design. But for this example, we use 80 vertical spacing, horizontal layer every 3 layers of the rebars, horizontal rebars. So this is very easy. So no need to be complicated. Just go to this table, multiply the area, and you find the kilograms of tie wire you need for your project. Because sometimes they neglect this tie wire, but this is important also for budgeting. So we need to compute so that we can um, put in our budget. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something about this. And thank you for the viewers, Engineer Edwin Bilan and Roda Malanong. Thank you for your uh, visiting my channel. So that's it, and God bless us all always.